If you're planning to start a business in Illinois, forming an LLC is one of the smartest ways to protect yourself legally and make your business look more professional. In today's video, we are going to show you how to register an LLC in Illinois even if you are a complete beginner. We will also help you decide whether to file it yourself or use a formation service like Northwest to make the entire process hassle-free. We will cover this in more detail later in the video. Before we begin our journey, let's first answer the question, what exactly is an LLC? An LLC, or Limited Liability Company, is a business structure that combines the liability protection of a corporation with the flexibility and simplicity of a sole proprietorship or partnership. It's easy to manage and offers personal asset protection, which is why it's one of the most popular business structures in the United States. Now, the question is, why choose Illinois for your LLC business? Well, for one, you have liability protection. That means your personal assets like your home, car, or savings are generally protected if your business runs into debt or legal issues. You also have a pass-through taxation, so business profits are reported in your personal tax return, helping you avoid double taxation. Now, the next thing that we need to do is to choose a name for your Illinois LLC. Now, the name must be unique and not already in use in Illinois. It should include Limited Liability Company, LLC, or L.C. Now, to check the name availability of your desired name, I want you to go to the Illinois Secretary of State Business Search. All you have to do is enter your desired business name. If no matching results appear, your name is available and good to go. Now, you can reserve the name for $25, but this is not required. Once you've secured your LLC name, it's a good idea to secure a domain for your business right away. You can do this through hosting services like Hostinger or Namecheap. Feel free to use our affiliate links in the video description below to get started. Now, after that is appointing a registered agent. Illinois requires every LLC to have a registered agent because they are the one that receives the legal and official state documents. They must have a physical address in Illinois and of course must be available during normal business hours. Now, if you wanted to be your own registered agent, you can do so provided that you meet all the state legal requirements. But what we highly recommend is using a formation service like Northwest Registered Agent for privacy and convenience because they will take care all of the paperwork for you. And then the next is filing the Articles of Organization, which is going to be the official step that creates your LLC. Now, you can simply go to the Illinois Secretary of State website, which is going to be for online filing. I highly recommend you do that. And all you have to do is provide the LLC name, registered agent name and address, LLC purpose. For example, you can use a general purpose, organizer's name and signature, and there is going to be a filing fee of $150 online or by mail. Once approved, congratulations because your Illinois LLC is now officially formed. After that is creating an operating agreement. Although Illinois does not require an operating agreement, it's highly recommended because an operating agreement defines ownership and management structure. It helps prevent future disputes, it adds credibility and legal protection, and of course, you can create one yourself if you wanted. Now, the next thing is getting an EIN from the IRS. An EIN or Employer Identification Number is like a social security number for your business. You can simply visit the IRS website, apply online for free, and you will receive your EIN instantly. Having said all of that, before you finalize your LLC, here are some important tips and common mistakes you'll want to avoid. Number one is going to be the registered agent availability. Missing these notices can lead to penalties or even admin dissolution. And of course, you need to avoid using PO boxes. PO box won't meet this requirement and could cause your filing to be rejected. And of course, you want to make sure to have the annual compliance. Be sure to file your annual reports on time and pay any required franchise taxes, because falling behind on these obligations can put your LLC at risk of losing its good standing or facing late fees. And of course, consider trademarking your LLC name. All right? Now, having said all of that, now consider trademarking your LLC name. That means while registering your LLC protects the business name at the state level, trademarking provides stronger nationwide protection for your brand and helps prevent others from using a similar name. That's why traditional filing, while it's cost effective, it really is time consuming, full of paperwork, and hiring a registered agent, while it is also a good option, it can be very expensive. But what if I told you there is a better solution, like using a formation service called Northwest? Northwest Registered Agent is a company that provides business formation services in the US without hiring an attorney or a registered agent, because they guide you through all these steps to create corporations, nonprofits, especially LLC, and any other business entity in any state in the US, including Illinois. Now, the good news is, if you haven't signed up with Northwest yet, you can use our affiliate link in the video description to get started. As you can see, there are just a few simple steps we need to complete to form an LLC right away. Don't worry, this process is super simple, and let's begin with the Order tab. This is the summary of what you are purchasing from Northwest. It shows the service you selected, which is LLC formation. It displays the state where you are forming your LLC, and this is going to be in Illinois. And of course, it lists the total cost before payment. Now, the Company tab is going to be the section that collects details about your business, including the LLC name, and if you want to send a copy of lawsuits and legal notices to your attorney, and of course, the business address. Now, don't worry, because this information is not made public and is only used to officially create your LLC with the state. Now, the Management tab is how you define your LLC. You can choose from a member manage, which means owners like you run the business, or a manager manage, which means a manager runs the business. If you're not sure what type of management type you would like to choose, click on the question mark icon here, because this helps determines who has authority to make decisions for the LLC. You can also put in members or managers, because Northwest keeps this private where allowed. Now, the contact section is going to be your personal information. You can put your name, phone number, country, and of course your address. Don't worry, because this information is not going to be made public, but Northwest uses this to send filing updates, notify you of legal documents, and give you account access. Speaking of account access, the account section creates your Northwest online dashboard. You can just provide your email address, set a password, confirm login details. Once you've done that, your account lets you access your state documents, receive compliance alerts, and view scanned mail and legal notices. Now, if you wanted to have an added service like the business identity to help you establish your LLC's official identity, which is going to be free for 90-day trial, and you have some optional items here like tax ID, S corporation, and a lot more. Now, if you wanted, you can safely skip all these if you prefer to handle them yourself. And the last section is going to be the payment information, where you complete your order. It includes your credit or debit details, review of total costs, and the final confirmation before submission. And once paid, congratulations, Northwest files your LLC with the state. And basically, that's it on how to register an LLC in Illinois, which is a straightforward and affordable process, especially if you follow these steps carefully and stay compliant each year. With a strong liability protection, flexible management options, and solid credibility for your business, an Illinois LLC is a smart choice for entrepreneurs ready to operate legally and confidently. Do it right once, stay compliant, and you will be positioned for long-term success. But if you want a hassle-free process with reliable support, Northwest makes it super simple. They handle the paperwork, act as your registered agent, and keep your personal information private. While you can file your LLC yourself through the Alabama Secretary of State, using a service like Northwest saves you time, avoids mistakes, and gives you peace of mind, especially if this is your first LLC. Now, if you are ready to start, check the link in the description to get your Alabama LLC registered with Northwest today. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Would love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.